To generate an Eisenhower matrix from Asana tasks using Asana2Go, you just need a single custom field. And you can start in any project, My Tasks, or any search result. And the tasks can be organized in any sections that are meaningful to you and in any sort order. So you just assign the custom field, which I've already done, and then make your selections. So I'll choose these 7 tasks. Open Asana2Go and choose the Eisenhower format, and then view and copy, and there are the results. The 7 tasks have been distributed into the 4 quadrants, and the left column is urgent and the right column is not so urgent. The top row is important and the bottom row is not so important. And those are represented in the footer here with the labels that are given. And then the quadrant numbers, which correspond to the custom field, are shown with these little badges here. Going back to the Asana project, we can look a little more closely at the custom field. So it just has 4 different values, key 1 through 4. You can color them anything you want. And the name of the field is Eisenhower. And I put in that description just to help remind you what the values mean. The Eisenhower Matrix is just one of many standard reports that you can make with Asana2Go. And if that's not enough, you can duplicate or edit any of those reports and come up with your own.